So what you can also do is access Microsoft Edge settings easily. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the three dot button right here. And then what happens is that you get access to the settings over here. So once you're on the settings over here on the left hand side, you see different settings over here. Like by default, you get to the profile settings. Then you got the privacy, search and services settings right here. Then you got the appearance settings over here to change around the appearance of the Edge browser. You also have the sidebar settings, and you got the start, home and new tab settings. Then you got share, copy, paste settings, and similarly you got other settings over here just like this, and you can see the about over here as well. Over here on the top, if you want to search for a particular setting, you can search for it. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and type in theme right here, then it'll show up that particular setting right here. Let's say for example, I want profile setting right here, then search for profile, and then you get that particular setting right there. Similarly, let's say for example, if I were to go around onto password, then I get to that particular setting. And that is how you can access Microsoft Edge settings as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.